Natural gas finally has given a little bullish move and it has given a gap up opening, but since then trading bearish, and in fact it has now come to 3.15 levels. Likewise, the US crude has also given a gap, and in fact, not gap, but it has traded bullish, achieved 81.8 levels, and since then it is trading with a little drop. So, what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators, and I will give you the trading levels and strategies for both oil and natural gas. Do watch till the end. First, we'll look into oil, followed with natural gas. Listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the next analysis and update. The next update on oil will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start on the hourly chart. See, couple of observations on the hourly charts for oil. First, this was the bullish breakout. This was the consolidation, and again a bullish move here. So this is certainly try to break out on the upside. Second observation here is look at these 5 candles, 6 candles. Very strong resistance here at 81.9, close to 82 levels. So this is very clear that only and only if you see oil trading above 82, you can buy and expect it to rise till towards 82.5 levels, and then beyond that certainly more bullishness can be expected. At the same time, look at this on the downside. See, firstly, one must understand the 81.5 was giving it a resistance, and here 81.3, 81.4 also was a good resistance earlier. You can see multiple candles. Now, multiple candles getting the support at the same levels. So, possibly once you see it trading below this zone at 81.2, you can sell and then expect, so 81.15 levels, I will say. Beyond this, you can sell and expect 81, then 80.9, 80.8. Till here it's fine. Below that we can see support at 80.60. The minor the time frame, the nearer the resistance levels. And also if you look at, see, this is how oil has traded so far. On the downside, 80.5 is going to remain a prime support level. Now, this is on the hourly charts. Let's have a look at further detail. Directional movement is moderately bearish, stochastic near to bottom. The MACD divergent and bearish. It is just crossed over. RSI is trading slightly with bearish bias. Now, look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, also similar observation. Rise, strong resistance, retracement. But the previous resistance zone is now a support levels. And with that as support, it is trying to reverse again. The directional movement moderately, it is not indicative, rather I will say stochastic was overbought and hence seen a little drop. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, RSI trading flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, higher highs, higher lows, and if you look at 81 levels, certainly be a good support here. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic looking down. The MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI is showing little strength there. Now look at 4-hour charts. So see, first thing is the buy entry is very clear here, which is above 82 levels. You can buy and you can remain long. At the same time, below 81.2, you can sell, rather I'll say 81.15, you can sell, expect 80.8, 80.5 levels as the major support, and below that till 80, it has got very strong support on the downside. Only and only if oil breaches below 80, you can expect that there is little bearishness. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD trying to cross over for sell, RSI trying to look upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily chart. See, it is trying to reverse, trying to also see this is a critical zone as 100 period moving average is lying here. And once it trades above the 82 levels, this may give a good bullish move here, which might take it till towards the next destination, which is 83 and then 83.5, and then in fact it can fly for 85 levels. But then at the same time on the downside, see higher lows, higher highs. We have to remain cautious till 81. Do not consider this as, in fact till 80.8, do not consider this as bearish, and then below 80.5 and 80 only little bearishness can be expected, where it can try to erase the gains from the last trading sessions. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking up again, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI trying to trade flat. without any buy. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy only above 82 levels, where you can expect 82.4, 83, 83.5, 85 levels also. On the downside, you can sell at 81.15. Below that, expect 81, 80.8 and 80.5. These are three major support levels. But remember, till 80, till it trades above 80, it can bounce back any point of time, and hence you should trade with a trailing stop loss or keep booking. 15 cents is not a bad deal. You can just keep booking for 15 cents. If you know that 81 is a little support, keep a target out of 81, exit it, re-enter if you see it trading in the same direction for a target of 80.8, and always keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price, such that when you know that this is a support zone also, it can bounce back, it can reverse again, and let your trade close in without any loss, and keep re-entering. So likewise only you can safeguard your capital and you can trade profitably. Now let's have a look at NAND gas. And yes, if you want to learn the art, if you want to learn the tool, techniques and strategies which can help you become a profitable and proficient trader, reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. My 19th mentorship batch is going to start in first week of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Join the batch now. Limited seats are available. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Now let's have a look at NG on the hourly chart. In the weekly analysis, we did see that $3 levels is a very good support for NG, and that is what taking the support from $3. Also, we did see that it was trading oversold, and that is why we can see a gap up here, and it has in fact went close to 3.24 and now trading at 3.15. Now see, after achieving the highs, it is retraced. Now it is consolidated, and see the candle size has diminished on the hourly charts. Once you see it trading above 3.18, you can again buy and you can expect it to achieve the highs. Then one can again look forward to 3.22 and then 3.25 levels. If it breaks past 3.25, stay long in NG. It is going to give you very strong bullish move. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic near to the highs. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI trading flat. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, likewise this gap is done. There is a support here at 3.12 levels, 3.1 levels. So only sell entry I will recommend is below 3.1, where you can again expect it to drop for 3.05 and $3 levels. So only sell entries below 3.1. Till the time it trades above 3.1, I will not recommend you to sell, because already it is trading oversold, and hence you should remain cautious here. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic rising, the MACD bullish, divergent, RSI flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. In fact, when it trades beyond 3.1617, you can expect 3.19, 3.2 and 3.25. Till here it has got good resistance. Then 3.88, and beyond that we may see it flying for 3.3 to 3.4 levels. This is something I will look forward to. And if you look at direction movement, moderately bearish here, stochastic rising again, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI trading flat. And if you look at 4-hour charts, now look at 4-hour charts. See, this zone is certainly giving it a very good resistance. I will wait for it to break past 3.3 in order to give a little bullish indication. Then you can definitely expect that it is going to hit 3.4 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over and it is trading with slight bullish bias. RSI is trading flat and it is trading above the oversold zone. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, first thing is lower highs, and hence we should wait for it to break past 3.24 levels, beyond which little more bullishness can be expected. Till the time it trades below 3.2425, we should remain cautious and alert, as it can try to fill the gap. But once it breaks past 3.25, it can give you very strong bullish candle, which might take it till towards 3. In fact, 3.4 levels can be achieved if it trades above 3.25. Remember this fact. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is extremely oversold. We can see a bounce back here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. The RSI, which is trading oversold, can bounce back also. And hence, a probable buy entry right now you can take here at 3.1 3.17 levels, but then expect that 3.19, 3.22, 3.25 levels are going to give till 3.25. It has got very, very, very strong resistance, and only if it trades about 3.25, we can expect that it is going to break out past 3.3 and 3.4 levels. And those who want to take a safe entry should only buy at 3.25 levels. And yes, if you want to sell, only sell entries below 3.1 levels. Below 3.1, little more bearishness can be expected. In fact, you can sell at 3.15, below which you can expect not 3.15 but 3.115, below which you can expect 3.08, 3.05, and then $3 levels also. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, remember till 3.25 it has got very strong resistance, and yes, if you are taking a buy entry at 3.17, you should trade with a trailing stop loss. On the upside, you should trade with caution. You should always keep shifting your stop loss to at least your entry price such that your trade closes in profit if at all NG reverses. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.